This is Dabu7, an earthquake update. We have reports coming in now of an 8.0 magnitude earthquake that has struck 36 kilometers west-northwest of Papua New Guinea, but on this map you can see here, on one of the main islands, they have this thing hitting almost right in the center, very near this big body of water. Now I'm going to back out here so you guys can see the island once again, where it sits in this chain. The bigger island up here at the top. Now, I'm going to refresh here real quick to see if this quake map has picked it up. It did not have it. Now they do. This is a big quake, guys. 8.0, and what they're listing is the Solomon Islands and PNG, Papua New Guinea. By the looks of it here, looks to be closer to the Solomon Islands. You may see reports with both names attached, but they do have this quake in roughly the same area. And as of right now, they have 167 kilometers on the depth and no aftershocks. Now, of course, we're going to hope that this is not a foreshock, because if that's the case, that would mean a bigger quake than an 8.0 magnitude quake is on the way. And let's hope that's not the case. This is a big quake. I'm sure everyone in this region felt this. I'm not sure how inhabited this island is. The Solomon Islands, though, in Papua New Guinea, are among the most active earthquake places on the globe. They sit on the ring of fire, as you can see, and this quake being the biggest quake we've seen in some time. Some of the bigger quakes we've seen recently, though, have been off mainland and where they could set off a tsunami. The fact that this one hit on the island, as they're showing here, we'll have to wait for reports on damage. I will continue to update on that. Make sure you're following me on Twitter for the latest updates as well. I'll leave links in the description box below. And until next time, this has been Dabu7 with an earthquake update.
Alright, Shalom Akim. First and foremost, I want to give all praises and glory to Yahweh, by Hashem Yahweh Shai. Yahweh being the Heavenly Father, Yahweh Shai being the Heavenly Father's Son. And double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone, the true elders of Israel today. And salutations and honor to the Akim out there pushing this truth and sincerity. This is 2nd Esdras in the Apocrypha, chapter 9. And I'm going to start at the top. He answered me then and said, Measure thou the time diligently in itself, and when thou seest part of the signs past, which I have told thee before. Okay? Now, these prophecies have been written thousands of years back. All right? Then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. All right? Now, part of the signs are coming to pass right now. All right? A lot of prophecies are coming to pass back to back. All right? Right before our eyes today. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world. All right? Now, just the other day, there was a uproar of people in D.C. and at the inauguration where Donald Trump became officially became president, and now today there's another earthquake. Now make no mistake about it. There has been uproars of the people happening. All right, back to back to back, every month, sometimes every week, sometimes back to back weeks. All right, and as for these earthquakes are happening damn near every week, man. The Lord is stirring things up. All right, and at the same time, America is circling down the drain. I'm going to start at verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world, then shalt thou well understand that the Most High spake of these things from the day that were before thee, even from the beginning. For like as all that is made in the world have a beginning. Slacky. Let me read verse 5 again. For like as all that is made in the beginning in the world have a beginning and an end, and the end is manifested. All right. So right now we are at the end. Okay, and it's just gonna get worse and worse. All right. So to you lost sheep out there, you so-called Native Americans, you so-called African Americans, and you so-called Hispanics, mainly you so-called Native Americans, and mainly you so-called African Americans, and mainly you so-called Hispanics, and to you Israelite foreigners out there scattered throughout the four corners of the earth. Y'all need to wake up, man. Because if you don't, you're gonna get caught up in this hell. You're gonna get caught up in this destruction. All right. All right. You're gonna die. Whether it be by famine, whether it be by pestilence, or this thermonuclear destruction that the Lord has in store for America and other parts of the world. So with that, this is the brother Bashar. Barak Yahweh, Barak Yahweh Shai, Barak Yahweh, Barak Yahweh Shai. Shalom.